Welcome back to AI Techtiles. Today, we're diving into the key differences between two highly in-demand roles in the world of data analysts and data scientists. Let's explore the skills, responsibilities, and career paths of each. First, let's talk about the data analyst. A data analyst examines and interprets structured data to help organizations make informed decisions. Their main focus is on identifying trends, generating reports, and creating visualizations to communicate findings. They primarily work with descriptive and diagnostic analytics to explain past performance and optimize current processes. Now, let's move on to the data scientist. A data scientist builds on the work of data analysts. Using inferential statistics, machine learning, and predictive modeling to make forecasts, their focus is on analyzing complex, unstructured data using advanced techniques to generate insights about the future. They work with predictive and prescriptive analytics, which help forecast outcomes and suggest business strategies. Now, let's talk about the core skills required for data scientists. Data science is more technical and often involves working with larger, more complex datasets. Computer science. A strong foundation in computer science is essential for data scientists. They need to understand how data is structured, processed, and stored. Machine learning, building predictive models and working with algorithms is a key part of a data scientist's role. Machine learning helps them analyze trends and make forecasts. Software development. Data scientists often develop software solutions for data collection and automation. They also write code to create advanced models, big data software tools. Data scientists work with large, unstructured datasets, often requiring specialized tools like Hadoop and Spark to process this information. Data scientists are expected to develop and refine algorithms to solve complex problems. Now, let's move on to the key skills required for data analysts. While the role is less technical than data science, it's equally important in extracting actionable insights from data. Data analysis software. Data analysts use tools like Excel, Power BI, and others to perform analysis on structured datasets, DBMS. They use SQL to manage, retrieve, and manipulate data. Business intelligence tools. Analysts use tools like Power BI to create dashboards and reports. Data visualization tools. They use tools like Tableau and ClickView to communicate insights through visualizations. Now, let's look at the overlapping skills between data scientists and data analysts. Basic statistical analysis. Both roles use statistics to interpret data. Calculating averages, variances, and distributions. Programming languages. Both roles require knowledge of languages like Python, R, and SQL. Data mining. Extracting useful information from datasets is crucial for both reporting and modeling. Problem solving. Both roles involve using data to solve business problems. Data storytelling. Both must communicate insights in a way non-technical stakeholders can understand. Let's talk about salary. Data analysts typically earn between $60,000 and $80,000 per year. Data scientists generally earn between $90,000 and $130,000, reflecting the advanced skills required for the role. To sum up, while data science and data analytics are distinct fields, they share a lot of common ground. Whether you choose the technical path of data science or the business-oriented approach of data analytics, both are crucial for leveraging data to drive success. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Techtiles for more insights into the world of data science, AI, and beyond. See you in the next video.